Hello students. So in this video, we will study geometric construction. We will see how to construct tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. So first concept or the first topic of drawing the tangent would be using the center of the circle. So how we will draw a tangent to the circle by using the center of the circle. The following are the steps of constructions that we need to keep in mind. The first is draw a circle with the center. Take any point P on the circle. Draw a ray CP and we have to extend it. So since it is a ray, we have to draw the ray and that ray has to pass through point P. Draw a line L perpendicular to ray CX. So we have to draw a line L that will be perpendicular to the ray CX, and the line L will be the required tangent to the circle at point P. Let us do an example and understand how to draw a tangent to the circle by using the center of the circle. So if you see this example, it says construct a tangent to a circle with center P, radius 3.2 centimeters at any point M on the circle. So for this, we will be requiring our compass and our ruler. Okay, so with the help of your compass, you draw a ray, take the radius, take a radius of 3.2 centimeters on your compass. So this is 2.3 centimeters and draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeters. So I'll name this circle. The center of the circle is P and the radius of the circle is 3.2 centimeters. So the first step is after drawing the radius, after drawing the circle, you draw a ray. Okay, you draw a ray and that ray has to pass through point M. Okay, so I'm drawing this, the point M. Now my tangent has to pass through this point M. So for that, we take your compass, put the pointer of your compass on point M and you cut the arc. Okay, I'll name this ray PX. So you cut the arc on both sides. So I've cut arc on both sides. Now you put the pointer on the arc on each side of the arc and you draw arc above and below. I've drawn the arc above and below. Now you put the pointer on the second arc and you cut this arc. So I'll cut the arc. Now we get a point of intersection for both the arc. With the help of your ruler, you join the point of intersection of both these arcs. Now this will be your tangent L to the circle with center P passing through point M. Note that in this construction, to draw or to construct the tangent L, we have used the center of the circle and we have constructed the tangent by on the point, or the tangent is passing through the point on the circle. Next, we'll see construction of a tangent to the circle at a point on the circle. And in this will be without using the center of the circle. So these are the following steps of construction that we need to keep in mind while constructing a tangent to the circle without using the center. So the first step is you draw a circle of suitable radius and take any point C on it. You take any point C on the circle. Then you draw a chord CB and an inscribed angle CAB. With the center A and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting the sides of angle BAC in points M and N. Using the same radius and the center C, draw an arc intersecting the chord PB at R. Taking the radius equal to distance MN and center R, you draw an arc intersecting arc drawn in the previous step. So we need to cut this arc. Let D be the point of intersection of these arcs, and then you draw line CD. Line CD will be the required tangent to the circle. Let us understand this construction more vividly with the help of an example. You see this example here, it says draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeters. Draw tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. Okay, so for this we will be requiring a compass, a ruler. Okay, first on your compass, you take the radius, you measure 3.6 centimeters, and you first draw the circle of radius 3.6 centimeters. So this is a circle with radius 3.6 centimeters. I'll name the center of the circle as O. After that, you take point C anywhere on the circle. Okay, so I'll take point C here. So this will be my point C here. You draw a chord CB, or I'll say CA. This is called CA, and you draw an inscribed angle CAB. And I'll join CB as well. So this is B, and this is the inscribed angle CAB. Now my tangent has to pass through point C. So for that, what you do first is you take your compass and put the point of compass on A, on point A. Okay, once you put the angle of the compass, the pointer of the compass on point A, you draw a suitable arc cutting chord AC and chord AB. So I'll draw the arc. Now, without changing the radius, you put the pointer of the compass on point C and you draw an arc that will cut the circle and chord CB only. Okay, you have to make sure that this arc should cut chord CB and the circle only. Then you pick up your compass and put the pointer of the compass on the first arc. You put the pointer of the compass and you measure the distance of the first arc. Once you have measured the distance of the first arc, you put the pointer of the arc of the compass on the arc that is cutting chord CB, and you cut this arc. You'll get a point of intersection. Then with the help of your ruler, you join the point of intersection with point C. So this will be your required tangent. So note one thing, this tangent we have drawn without using the center of the circle. So that's it for today's video. In our next video, we will see how to construct a tangent to the circle, passing through a point that lies outside the circle. Thank you.